Good morning, children. Children, as I have told you, that food is a basic need. Apart from the food, we require house. Okay, we require house to stay safe. But can you tell me nowadays you are at your home and you are studying now? You are studying where you are studying? At your home. School is providing facility at your home to teach you. Okay, so schools are the important part of a child's life. Not only education, child learns so many things in the school which you have studied yesterday. Let's recall in short. Okay, apart from the education, what you learn in the school, you learn teamwork. While you work with your friends in groups, you learn teamwork. Okay, and we is in school, children celebrate festivals, and festivals develop the feeling of togetherness and respect all the religions. Okay, and in school, children celebrate all the festivals like Holi, Diwali. We wish our friends on Eid also. So we have respect for all religions, whether it's Sikh festival, it's Hindu festival, or it's Muslim festivals. We have the feeling of respect for all the religion, and this you learn in school only. Okay, children, and apart from all these things, children also learn some duties towards their school. Like ma'am always told you, okay, ki switch off the lights if they are not required. Okay, and you also notice ki ma'am has also told you better turn off the tap if water is not required. So some duties, what are the duties of children you learn in the school, like don't be facing the walls of the classroom, do not spoil the furniture. All these things are taught you in the school by your teachers. About school you have studied yesterday. Children, tell me who maintain law and order in cities. Okay, nowadays it's a time of COVID-19. You are at home. In the night there is a curfew. No one can go out. If someone go out, who stops you to go out? Policeman maintains law and order. Beta, if there is curfew, okay, nowadays curfew at the night time, if you go out, then you thinking no, police might be wandering, moving here and there, and the police will catch us. Okay, so who maintain the government rules? Police maintain law and order in the cities and in the states. Clear? And do you know in villages who maintain law and order? I will tell you. In the villages, Panchayat Ghar maintains all the law and order. Now you might be thinking, what is Panchayat Ghar? Panchayat Ghar is just like a courtroom. Panchayat Ghar is just like a courtroom. There are 5 jury members in the panchayat, and among them the chief is Sarpanch. He is called Sarpanch, and the village people elect the jury members, elect the panchayat members, and the panchayat members elect the Sarpanch. Clear? Yes, Panchayat Ghar is just like a courtroom. Panchayat Ghar is an important building in a village. Okay, and there are different function of panchayat. 5 members are there. The head among them is called the sarpanch. Okay, and children, in cities the water supply comes from the, it is the duty of municipality, but there are some functions like water supply and street lights, maintenance of roads, setup of health centers. All these functions are done by panchayat. So let's have a look what are the important functions of panchayat in a village. Okay, resolve disputes. The first thing is resolve disputes. अगर यहाँ cities में किसी का fighting हो जाती है, quarrel हो जाता है, where will we go? We go to the police station. But in villages, village people go to panchayat ghar to resolve their dispute. So panchayat people, the people of panchayat resolve, find out the problems, what are the problems, and they find out the solution. So this is an important function of panchayat to resolve dispute of the village people. Another important function is build schools, market, clinic and roads. जो भी roads villages में होती है उनको maintain करने का ड्यूटी किसकी होती है? पंचायत की. Schools, they build schools, roads, clinic, okay, and market. Each and everything they try. It is their duty to look after the needs of village people. Clear? Maintain cleanliness apart from resolving disputes and build schools, markets, clinic. They also take care of cleanliness of villages. Okay, and organize cultural program. In villages, you might have listened, there are fairs and other cultural programs. So it is the function of panchayat to organize cultural programs well. Okay, and maintain wells and tube wells. In villages, in some villages, today also there is water problem. We are living in cities, we don't have water problem, but in some cities there are also water problem. But in some villages, water is not clean. So it is the duty of panchayat to provide water, clean water, and maintain wells and tube lights for village people so that they can get clean water. Set up health centers. Beta, in villages there are no hospitals. Okay, so village people come to the cities, and the village people are not so much well educated. So there are health centers for taking care of their health. Clear? So panchayat ghar is an important building in the villages. The function of panchayat ghar, I am repeating again, the function of panchayat is resolve disputes. Okay, build schools, markets, clinics and roads, maintain the street lights, organize cultural program and maintain cleanliness in the villages, maintain wells and tube wells for clean water supply, set up health centers. And setting up health centers, it is the duty of panchayat. Children, tell me one thing. If you fall sick, where will you go? Raise your hand. जब हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, if we fall sick, where will we go? Okay, Purnakshi, beta, when we are sick, where do go? Where do we go, Purnakshi? Yes, we go to hospitals, because in hospitals in cities we go to hospitals to get the treatment, because in cities there is proper arrangement of the treatment, proper machinery is there if there is any problem. So doctors and nurses are there to treat the people well. Okay, beta, in cities people go to hospital to get proper treatment because there are proper arrangement, machines are there. The people of cities get proper treatment of health in the big hospitals. Okay, because there are all the facilities. But do you know, in villages there are not big hospitals. The village people faces many problems because of this lack of hospitals. So in villages there are health centers. Okay, health centers take care of the health of the village people, because health is an important aspect of everyone's life. Okay, हेल्थ हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, ठीक है। और विलेजेस में बिग बिग हॉस्पिटल्स नहीं होते हैं, सो देयर आर हेल्थ सेंटर्स, एंड इन health centers treat the people, and apart treating them, there are some important function of the health centers. The doctors and nurses who look after the health centers, they educate the people about health matters. Like nowadays, because of this coronavirus in cities, we all are aware कि हमें घर में रहना है, हमें डिस्टेंस से रहना है, we have to use the mask only, और इम्यून सिस्टम को बूस्ट करने के लिए बेटा हम लोग कुछ घर में मेडिसिन भी ले रहे हैं. बट इन विलेजेस the people are not well educated, so the doctors and nurses sit in the health centers, they look after all these things, they do the treatment, and side by side they educate the people about health matters, how can they protect them from the diseases. Okay, vaccination and immunization programs run in the health centers. Children, it is from vaccination and immunization. You remember there was a rubella camp in your school, everyone get the vaccination of rubella. Why you get that vaccination? To protect yourself from that disease. So immunization एक प्रोसेस होता है बेटा, जिससे कि वैक्सीन के बाद हमारी बॉडी डिफेंड कर सके, उस डिसीज से लड़ने के लिए रेडी हो जाए. ओके, दैट इज इम्यूनाइजेशन एंड वैक्सीनेशन. यू नो, जो हमें इंजेक्शन लगाया जाता है हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए, दैट इज वैक्सीनेशन. ओके, आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन आवर बॉडी इज इम्यूनाइज्ड फॉर दैट disease. Okay, and health camps, setting up health camps in villages, people do not take care of their health, so free health camps are setting up by the health centers. Women are taught about the child care and importance of healthy cooking. Beta, in villages the women are not well educated, they don't know how to take care of a child, and they don't know the importance of healthy cooking. So the health centers provide the facility, they taught the women living in village how they look after their child and importance of healthy cooking, की अगर हम healthy खाएंगे तो उसका क्या importance है. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें, all these functions done by the health centers in villages. Okay.